Guys, what's up? I'm coming to you live from DFW. It's your boy J Rat. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make more videos. I want to do this. I will do it. Look at all these cars. I want to give a lot of cool things, features, stuff that you can do with your cars that you didn't know. And I would like to make this a full-time gig, but I need your subscriptions. I need you to subscribe, please. Yeah, even if you hate it or whatever, it doesn't matter. Just hit the button, doesn't hurt you. All right, anyways, today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you, and this may be for multiple years, but I'm gonna show you on a Volkswagen Passat, this is a 2017 right here, okay? So what we're going to show you is there's buttons in this glove box. You may have noticed them, you may not have, right? They may be in other year models. I know I'm looking at this one for sure 100%. So that's the one that I'm gonna speak on, 2017 Volkswagen Passat, right? All right, so one thing is, one of the buttons is gonna be your TPMS sensor. It's gonna be a reset TPMS sensor, okay? The other one is I'm gonna teach you what the lock trunk button is for. Because a lot of people just don't understand, right? Why would I need to lock my trunk from my glove box? Some people may understand, some people may not. By the way, when you get a car in at a dealership, yes, a lot of the times this is what they look like. All right, so we in the click on that button. You hear me? So this is just like from when we did the Mercedes and I got you free Bluetooth. All right, there is a TPMS sensor right there. So if the sensors are good, then when I reset this and show you how to do it, it should reset that TPMS light right there that's on consistent. All right, so dude, I'm like sweating right now, balls right now. So I'm gonna turn on some AC. Let's get that boy going right there. All right, so voila. Okay, what do we have in here? In the glove box, we've got what is a TPMS sensor reset and a lock trunk, right? So let's go over the TPMS sensor first. All right, so first you want to hold this thing for at least 2 seconds, but not more than 30, right? So we're gonna hold it for 10 seconds, right? All right, go. 1, 2, 3. All right, we only held it for 4 seconds. I heard a ding. What was there that's not there anymore? Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Voila. All right. Okay, so that's the TPMS sensor reset for you guys, right? You have to make sure that the right amount of air is in there, which is right here. It's going to show you how much air you need to put in your tires, right? Go by that. Don't go by the tire. Don't go by anything else. Go by that, what's on the door, okay? That's what the stock OEM air pressure is supposed to be in the tires. All right, number 2, okay? Why is there a lock button for my trunk? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this used car right here, let me get some light, dude. Jeez, man. All right, so this used car right here, it used to, and I doubt it has it, but it used to have a key for what's called Valet. All right, and what that does, if you don't know what Valet key does, yeah, this one's gone. So either way, all right, I can't do it for you, but either way, so what you can do with the Valet key is, number 1, you hit this button, all right, it locks your trunk. Then you close your glove box do you see that there's a lock right here? You can use that. You can use the key that's supposed to be there, which we'll probably buy one and put it in here for it. Lock it, right? You put your personal belongings in the trunk and in the glove box, right? You don't leave anything out in the car. That way, when you give your keys, here, Mr. Valet guy, take my keys. He can't steal shit out of your car because it's in the glove box locked up and the trunk locked up, and he can't get anything out of the trunk, and he can't get anything out of the glove box with the keys. It doesn't matter that he has them. And then when you get back with the valet, boom, 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 you're good, right? Does that make sense to everybody? So now we know what the valet key is for, and we also know how to use it and how to reset our Tpms sensor on a 2017 Volkswagen Passat and probably other cars. Well, guys, it's been real and it's been fun, but it ain't been real fun. I'll be putting more videos out. Please subscribe. Yeah, do that. And don't be a hater. Peace.